Okay, let's get these bulbs out. And you remember, these happen to be the warm white. So if you want bright white, you can get them. You just have to look. And these particular light fixtures, again, these were the new arrival pagoda style lights that they had, and they opted to let you decide what kind of bulb to get. I want to try to keep my fingers off of there the best I can, and then just put it on like that. Now I can put this on here. Okay. And these are fine threads. Just take your time. Okay, there it is. I gotta just do that to 4 other lights. I could do that to all 5, but I'm gonna go ahead and save the. I may not put the last one in yet because I'm not using it yet. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing to these others, and this is what the LED light for these particular ones look like. You see there's the 2 little prongs, and they called that the warm white. And you know, if you picked out any other light fixtures, landscape light fixtures other than this pagoda style, can you get them? I mean, what are they? Are they white, bright white? Are they warm white? Are they yellow light? How did they come? I don't know. Okay, and if you have a question, and if it's not shown properly on the website, you could send them an email, customer support, and they're really good about getting back to you. But it should be on there. Okay, these happen to be warm white, and I'm not going to be able to see exactly what the light looks like until tonight. You know what I mean? But and then worst case scenario, if I don't like the looks of it, could I get different lights if I wanted the bright whites or the yellow whites? If the yellow white is different than the warm white, could I ask them to send me some others? Yeah, I could. And then that's simple. You just unscrew the top and swap out the bulb. Okay? But when your lights come, make sure those bulbs are in. That's funny too, because I could not figure it out, and it's just because I've never installed them before. And I doubt you have ever installed them before either. That's probably why you're watching these videos, right?